Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning understands that choosing the right size furnace for your Cedar Rapids home is more important than most people realize. Many homeowners think a bigger furnace means better comfort, but that's not always true. An oversized furnace can cause uneven temperatures and frequent cycling, while an undersized unit may run constantly and still leave parts of your home chilly. The ideal furnace size depends on several factors, including your home's square footage, layout, insulation, climate, and even the condition of your ductwork. Simple online calculators can give a rough estimate, but only a professional load calculation considers everything that affects your comfort and efficiency. Novak's experienced technicians take the time to evaluate your home and recommend the best furnace size for even, reliable heat all winter long. If your current system struggles or you're planning a replacement, don't leave comfort to chance. Trust Novak for expert sizing, installation, and service. Call Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning today at 319-364-4626 to schedule your professional evaluation.